champion, whose best 2 years ago was 10.82. The only athlete in this field that hasn't broken 11 is Pinto. We'll come to her in a second. This is Daphne Skippers, of course, a world champion at the longer sprint distance, 200 meters. Made it through here as a fastest loser. There is Pinto. Very good performance from her in the semi-final. Got a good start, held on well. So 2 German athletes in lanes 1 and 4. Then we've got 2, of course, the normal 2 from the Ivory Coast. Talou, silver medalist at those World Championships. And indeed at 60 indoors, 100 outdoors, 200 outdoors. And then there she is, smiling, and why shouldn't she be smiling? The double Olympic champion from 2008-2012, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Lots of Jamaican support, of course, in this city, and have come out to cheer their hero, one of their heroes. So Dina Asher-Smith, the European champion. British crowd hoping that she can lift herself to challenge Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce here. Ahouré, the world indoor champion from 2018 at 60 meters, also of the Ivory Coast. And then the former Commonwealth champion at this distance, Blessing Okagbare from Nigeria in lane 9, who has shocked a couple of the fields earlier on in the season, but I suspect the way Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is going today, that won't happen. So how quick do we think Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce can go here? What can Dina Asher-Smith do? Can she put her under pressure? Can she hang on to her? Can she herself find a fast time? 10.91 for Dina Asher-Smith in qualifying, 10.95 for Fraser-Pryce, who, to be fair, was easing through. This is the final event of what's been an immense weekend of great performances, where we have another one here to finish off. Thousandths of a second. A false start for the world champion of 200 meters. So now we're down to 8 women. Lucan Kemper, Michelle Ahi in 2, then at 3 now empty. Then we've got Tatiana Pinto, Marie-Josée Talou, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Dina Asher-Smith in lanes 6 and 7, Murielle Ahouré in 8 and Blessing Okagbare in 9. Dina Asher-Smith takes second spot. She makes it look so easy. I said she was flowing. That's what it is like. It's almost poetry in motion, watching her. A good start, a great start, and then after that, she just keeps going away. It's been taken up by a slight notch to 10.78. Dina Asher-Smith, 10.92 in second place. Nothing she could do about Fraser-Pryce. She gets such a good start, and then she just runs faster. You can't say anything else. She just runs faster than everybody else.
Steve, it's amazing. At the moment, in Shelly-Ann's racing, I see no weakness. She reacts to the gun very well. Then she gets out the block solid, very strong. Then she has incredible pickup, good knee lift all the way through, and she doesn't seem to fade. She doesn't get tight. So this is going to be a person that's going to be so difficult to beat. Add into that, she has a wealth of experience in taking these titles. So only person that's come close when she's running like this is another Olympic champion, Elaine Thompson, who only just beat her by a fraction, thousandths, at those Jamaican championships. Watch this again here. There's nothing really Dina can do. She can't get close to her in the first 20 meters, and if you can't get close to her then and put her under any sort of pressure, you've got no chance of beating her. She's still moving away from the field, pumping hard, focused all the way. And when you're that determined as a champion, trust me, it's tough, so tough for all your opponents. Here's Dina, out the blocks well. Again, she didn't do really anything that wrong. She was just beaten by a quality athlete who just seems to be on the top of her game. All that Dina can really do is just...
At the London Anniversary Games, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce delivered a stunning masterclass that reaffirmed her place among the all-time greats of sprinting. Dominating the 100-meter final with authority, the Jamaican icon rocketed out of the blocks and crossed the line in a sensational 10.78 seconds. Her performance once again reminded the world that, at her best, she's nearly untouchable. Facing a stacked field that featured top-tier talents such as European champion Dina Asher-Smith, Côte d'Ivoire's dynamic duo Marie-Josée and Murielle Ahouré, and Nigeria's veteran sprinter Blessing Okagbare, Fraser-Pryce remained unshaken. Asher-Smith mounted a strong challenge and clocked 10.92 for second place, but Fraser-Pryce's explosive opening left no room for a comeback. From the very first stride, it was evident who controlled the race. Her rapid-fire start, combined with a flawless drive phase, instantly created distance between her and the rest. The others pushed hard, but by the halfway point, the margin had grown too wide to close. Fraser-Pryce maintained her rhythm with surgical precision, leaving her competition trailing. Commentators lauded her technical brilliance, a powerful posture, exact stride mechanics, and relentless arm action, all delivered with poise. These mechanics, refined through decades at the highest level, continue to separate her from even the most gifted rivals. Her execution was clinical, an exhibition of sprinting perfection that few can replicate. Nicknamed the Mommy Rocket, Fraser-Pryce's rise post-motherhood stands as one of sport's most inspiring transformations. Her comeback wasn't just a return, it was a reinvention. She didn't just re-enter the scene, she redefined it, clocking faster times, claiming titles, and commanding global respect in the process. Though she has hinted that the Paris 2024 Games might mark the final chapter of her championship journey, she hasn't officially closed the book. With her training intensity still high, whispers of a potential 2025 season continue. Should she continue, fans could witness further electrifying showdowns against Jamaican contemporaries like Shericka Jackson and Elaine Thompson-Herah, matchups that have come to symbolize the golden age of women's sprinting. Regardless of when she steps away, Fraser-Pryce's footprint in athletics is indelible. Her ability to endure, excel, and evolve has challenged outdated norms and expanded the horizon for female athletes, especially those balancing sport and motherhood. Whether this season is her last or just another milestone, her impact will echo through track and field for generations. Even as younger stars rise through the ranks, Fraser-Pryce remains the benchmark. Her discipline, consistency, and unmatched mental strength continue to inspire both fans and fellow athletes. With each race, she not only chases victory but also builds upon a legacy that transcends records, cementing her status as a global icon in the sport.